Hi everyone, welcome to the Grace Life DIY Home Decor. So in this video today, I'm going to be decorating a bee tablescape for two. So come on with me, guys. Okay, so if we look at the tablescape, we have the candles that came from the Dollar Tree, and then we have my apothecary jar in the center of the table. I have some fruits in it, and the tablecloth is checkered in beige, and that was thrifted. Actually, most of this stuff was thrifted, and it looks gorgeous. Anyway, the placemats, those woven placemats, they came from Hobby Lobby, and that green leaf placemat came from the Dollar Tree. Now the bee chargers, they came from the Dollar Tree also. Can you believe it? Now this video is a part of a collaboration called Tablescape Tuesdays. Tablescape Tuesdays is every Tuesday at 6 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. Hosting this collaboration is myself, the Grace Life DIY Home Decor, and hosting with me is Amethyst Adventures. Now what's fun about this collaboration is we usually do any color, style, or theme. Now that's normally freestyle, but when we have a guest, the guest gets to choose what color, style, or theme. Isn't that awesome? Now remember, as in all collaborations, we practice YouTube etiquette. All right, let's head on back to the tablescape. So we already said that the chargers were the bee theme chargers the Dollar Tree is carrying, if you can get them. Then we have the melamine plates, which were thrifted, so that was a great buy. And now the bee plates did come from Hobby Lobby. I was so happy to get them. I don't like anything too loud, and this here is just perfect. Now we have the glassware. So the glassware came from the Dollar Tree, and the flatware came from Party City. I am lighting the candles. That means we are heading over to the reveal. I am absolutely loving this tablescape. I think it looks beautiful, and I hope you agree. So if you like the video, click like, share, and comment. Don't forget to subscribe, guys, and don't forget to hit that notification bell so that you can get notified every single time I upload a video. Have an amazing day, and I'll see you in the next one. God bless you.